Henni oganda onagi okwa mondo mi owuok oko odonje e tiegruok manyalo konyo gi chako kendo bedo gi ohala mekgi giwegi. Maendi en kwayo mabende ogolo kod riwruok moro mabende ok en mar piny owacho mano ero mar somo bade manyalenda e boma ma Kisumu kokalo kuom jatatije margi nyadendi Mercy Lago. Koloso e kinde no ero mabende ne gisidho ayanga jopuonjre mane osekalo e tiegruok kodgi. Mary ojiwo oganda mondo kiket maino margi e weche goeko mag tije andika ka owacho ni weche mag tiegruok e weche mag ohala konyo oganda mathoth. Ginero bende ojiwo oganda koda ka rowere mondo donje tiegruoge aina gieki mondo gibed jogo ma nyalo bedo kod ohala gi giwegi.
Somo Africa kae watemo empower entrepreneurs mawuok e underserved areas. Koro nyaka ne organization chakre wase train entrepreneurs moingo 700. Businesses moingo 180 osebedo funded. To kendo gi jobs moingo 3,000 osebedo created. Koro entrepreneurs gi wagolo gi communities ma yuto gi ntiere piny. Wamiyo gi training for 12 weeks, after which kwasemiyo gi training wapuonjo gi kaka ginyalo ndiko their business plans, kendo wakonyo gi be kaka ginyalo pitch their businesses to the investors and also to partners. Ka gisetieko program no, they graduate and wamiyo gi kendo chaka certificate. To i training nite onge pesa mora mora ma ng'ato chulo, onge gimoro ni admission fee kata training fee. The training is free.
I am an entrepreneur at SOMO, and we've been having a boot camp for 3 months. I would really want to urge every young person to embrace entrepreneurship. This is because you are taken through different processes. You are taught how to become an entrepreneur. You are also taught how to embrace business models that are different. From knowing how to get partners, knowing how to scale up your business and interact. So I'm urging all the young people to try and do an application because the 3rd cohort has been rolled out. Let them come and apply and join the bootcamp for anyone that is around Kisumu. This is going to be a lifetime changing process. I've seen a lot of programs that are also embracing the almost the similar model, but with this your mindset is going to be shaped and changed.
Even this aspect of generation of wealth, and we can only generate wealth through our ideas, through our brains. That's why I would go for something that is in line with entrepreneurship, because we are living in a world that is having a lot of competition with unemployment. So we want to gain some knowledge and create wealth through entrepreneurship.
Your message to your fellow graduates?
To my fellow graduates, I'll tell them that if you have a skill that you can employ yourself, kindly go ahead and do that. And if you cannot per se employ yourself, look for a way you can tap on that skill in a manner that you can sustain yourself even without the employment.